Welcome to my channel Sridhar's Easy Chemistry. Unit 2 P block elements. Allotropism, allotropes of carbon, difference between graphite and diamond. These are the topics will be covered today. Let's see one by one. Allotropism. What is allotropism? Some elements exist more than one crystalline or molecular forms in the same physical state. This phenomenon is called allotropism, and the different forms of an element are called allotropes. This definition can be understood by seeing the example. For example, allotropes of oxygen. Oxygen is an element. It has two allotropes. One is dioxygen, which has the formula O2. Another allotrope is ozone, O3. So, dioxygen as well as ozone are the allotropes of oxygen. This is in gaseous state. This is also in gaseous state. So, the phenomenon is called allotropism. Allotropes of carbon. There are 5 allotropes are there for carbon. They are 1. Graphite, 2. Diamond, 3. Fullerene, 4. Carbo nanotubes, 5. Graphene. This may be asked in the examination as what are the allotropes of carbon? Graphite, most stable allotrope of carbon. If you see the lattice, it is composed of several layers. Each layer held by weak intermolecular force of attraction. Because of weak intermolecular attraction, graphite is soft as well as slippery. What kind of force of attraction held these sheets or layers? Van der Waals force. This is the raw graphite obtained from the earth. Now I bring one sheet. If you elaborate, this means each sheet has carbon atoms in the form of hexagonal ring. You know the valency of carbon atom is 4. Means the valence shell of carbon has 4 electrons. Out of these 4 electrons, as far as graphite is concerned, only 3 electrons having bonded to the nearest carbon atom. Therefore, the hybridization of the carbon present in graphite is sp2. The 4th electron present does not involve bond formation. Therefore, it is delocalized. Graphite conduct electricity due to this electron. Diamond. Diamonds are hard. This is the lattice of diamond. The carbon atoms present in diamond are strongly held by covalent bond. Diamonds are very hard. If you see diamond lattice, all the carbon atoms involve tetrahedral arrangement. I will bring one tetrahedral arrangement from diamond lattice to understand. So this is the tetrahedral. You know carbon has 4 valence electron. All the 4 electrons involves covalent bond formation with the neighboring carbon atom. This arrangement is known as tetrahedral arrangement. So the hybridization of the carbon atom present in diamond is sp3. So there is no delocalized electron. Therefore, diamond does not conduct electricity. Difference between graphite and diamond. Most important question for exam. Graphite and diamond. Point number 1. Most stable allotropic form of carbon, and it is soft. Diamond is very hard. Point number 2. It is composed of flat 2-dimensional sheets of carbon atoms with hexagonal net. Diamond entire lattice have tetrahedral arrangement of carbon atoms. Point number 3. The carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. In diamond, the carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized. Point number 4. 4th electron present in the unhybridized p orbital delocalized over the entire sheet, which is responsible for its electrical conductivity. Diamond, there is no free electron. Therefore, diamond is not conduct electricity. Point number 5. It is used as a lubricant either on its own or as a graphited oil. Just a few minutes back we discussed, because graphites are slippery, therefore it is used as a lubricant. Diamonds are very hard because of strong covalent bond between carbon atoms. So it is used for sharpening hard tools, cutting glasses, making bores and rock drilling. I hope everybody understood what is allotropism, allotrope, what are the different allotropes of carbon, property of diamond as well as graphite, and the most important question, difference between graphite and diamond. Without any doubt, if you like this video, share, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.